This beautifully restored, period-correct 1969 Ford Boss 302 Mustang represents one of the most desirable performance cars ever produced by Ford. These were created to dominate the Trans Am racing series of the late 60s and the early 70s. Finished in stunning Acapulco Blue, which is Ford paint code 3077-A, using correct 1969 302 Boss black side stripes, a blacked-out hood with a functional scoop, a front chin spoiler, and aggressive fastback lines, this example captures the bold presence that made the 69 Boss an instant legend. Power comes from a factory-installed, warranty replacement Boss 302 engine. This mill retains the model's trademark high-revving solid lifter performance and is topped with a factory-style shaker cold air induction system, all showcased in an exceptionally clean, detailed engine bay. A Ford Toploader 4-speed manual close-ratio transmission paired with a 350 Traction-Lok geared rear axle delivers a sharp, engaging performance the Boss is known for. It rides on classic Magnum-style wheels wrapped in period-correct Goodyear tires, completing this authentic Trans Am-inspired stance. The car retains its original style interior, featuring high-back bucket seats, wood grain dash trim, factory gauges, and the unmistakable feel of a late 60s muscle car cockpit. This Boss 302 is also equipped with power disc brakes and power steering, adding welcome drivability while maintaining its vintage character. Showing just 2,950 miles on the odometer, it comes with valuable documentation, including the original window sticker and a deluxe Marty report confirming its original equipment and history. Collectible, iconic, and beautifully presented, this 1969 Boss 302 is an exceptional piece of Ford performance heritage. For more information, contact LRA Auto Museum and Sales at 215-781-3790 or email sales@lrasales.com. That's sales@lrasales.com.